These are the Airpods Pro replacement ear tips. I just had on one of my Airpods Pro here, it ripped, so all the plastic, this part ripped the other day, so it was not usable anymore. It just came off. And so I was able to reach out. I had a couple of friends who had to replace AirPod tips before, and they recommended this brand right here. It's the Uwatai replacement ear tips. So really easy to use, really easy to change these out here. And after getting these recommended from a couple of friends and doing some research online, these are definitely the go-to replacements. They have a lot of options online, but these ones here definitely move the needle on all the different things like the noise canceling and things like that. So this is definitely the ones you're going to want to pick up here. So you can see here, they're right inside here. And they're just going to be very easy to put on here. So you can see here, they're just going to go on real easy here. See? Just clips right on. And this is one of the original ones. This one is still good here from Apple. So you could see just very, very much the same thing. And see the back here. This is the Apple one. This is the aftermarket one. This one's all dirty here. This is probably going to get a lot more sound out of it. Because even this one here, the Apple one, it was giving me a lot of like static and feedback on here. So it was definitely time to replace it. So it's a good thing that the other one broke, so I was able to change it out. But definitely want to pick these up. Nice, easy fix for AirPods Pro. You're going to be able to get an upgrade, probably get some better sound out of it. And then you have the extra ones for if it happens again. Nice carrying case here. So definitely want to check these out. It's the Uwatai replacement ear tips.